Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be decorating my creative journal, which is the Sophisticated Florals Classic Size Happy Planner. It is for the week of April 18th through the 24th, and I am going to be using the Hello Spring from Live Love Posh as well as some washi tape. I am going to be keeping this spread super simplistic. It will give me tons of room to write, and I will go from there. But as I'm flipping through this book, if you are joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. I really hope you like it here. And if you are returning, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me yet again. I appreciate you so very much. Okay, so let's get going. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this beautiful washi string, and look at all the pinks. It's so lovely. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this stripy tape and apply it to some areas of this planner. And I don't know if you guys are the same about your washi tape as I am, but whenever I start using this one, I remember how much I love it, with being so extremely classic in color and style. So I find myself gravitating towards. Do you guys have a washi like that that's just your go-to, especially with flowers? So this one in particular, the pink and green and black, is going to look really great. So I'm adding some corner stickers because I want to make sure that's decorated. And I'm gonna add some bigger pieces. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more washi tape to both sides, just as a decoration piece. So there we go, one, and then another. I am so curious to see what your favorite washis are and see if I have them or if I can go and purchase more. That's always a fun part of planning. Okay, few more flowers, just few more, and everything will be ready. Okay, just a couple more blooms here and there to make sure that it's balanced. I think this looks great so far. Those deep pinks really make me happy. They are more of a summer floral, but I really don't care. I just want it in my planner now. I already kept that book for quite a while without using them. Okay, let me fix that crooked sticker. Okay, so like I said, I am almost finished with the spread. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm just adding a few more things and then I'm gonna cut and make sure this fits in my planner and I'll be all set. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, please do so. I would really appreciate it. And as always, I wish you a happy and healthy week ahead, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye!